everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Roger here once again. Well, today I'm going to show you how to cook a very nice tasty vegetarian dish. It's a red lentil and cheese slice. It's easy to make, it's cheap to make, that's the main thing, and it's healthy for you. It could be a meal, it could be a snack. You could eat it midweek, Saturday, Sunday, any day you want. Anyway, stay with me and I'll show you how it's done. And if you would like to take a little bit of time out, subscribe to my channel. You'll see all my new videos, all my old videos, and hopefully together we'll have a great time.
Now for this recipe we're going to need 2 ounces of grated cheese, 1 bay leaf, 1 tomato sliced, and lentils, 8 ounces of split red lentils. We're going to need 1 whole onion that's been chopped, some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper for seasoning, and of course 1 pint of water. So let's crack on, shall we? Firstly we go into a pan with the water on the hob. We've got this on a high heat at the moment until it boils. In with the lentils, pop those in. It's always good to give it a stir. Then in with the onions. We don't need to fry these first, just put them in as they are. That's right, plop those in. Then our bay leaf, we'll give that the good old squish that we always do, just to release the flavours a bit more. And then our seasoning. Now you can put the pepper and the salt in to your own preference, to your own taste really. We're all different, aren't we? I like quite a bit of salt. Some people say it's bad for you. Give this a mix. Bring this to the boil and reduce it down. Once it's boiled, reduce it down until it becomes a bit like this, a bit like porridge really. Then we can take out our bay leaf, don't need that anymore, and get our dish ready. So I'm going to butter the inside of the dish, and this will help to stop the lentil slice from sticking. Then in we go with our 2 ounces of very strong grated cheddar cheese. So we're going to be mixing this in nice and gently, get it all mixed in, don't miss any, scrape those little bits off the side like that. And of course this is all going to melt together. Then we can go into our pre-buttered dish that we've got here, and we're going to level this off. Spread it all round, get it nice and even and a nice flat surface like that. Then we're going to top dress it with our tomatoes, tomato slices that is. Round they go. Lovely jubbly. Bit more seasoning, pepper anyway this time. I think I skipped the salt over the top. Yep, that's it, looking good. Then off we go to the oven. We've got a gas oven and we're going to have it on gas mark 6 for about 20 or 30 minutes until it is set. And then you end up with this. Now that's looking good, isn't it? See, it cuts quite nicely now. Take out a slice. Then it's time for a taste test. My favourite part of the video, this.
Well, yeah. We'll mark that one down as a hit. Very tasty, slightly crunchy, obviously good for you, very healthy. Hope you make this for yourself and hope you enjoy it too. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and yeah, we'll see you again next time. Bye guys.